everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and sharing my first impressions on the Lanshin Intro Gua Sha tool in Jade. It's a Chinese medical therapy that involves gliding a smooth surface along the body to break down tension and increase the free flow of healthy circulation in the tissues. It's most commonly used to relieve pain and tension, boost the immune system, and these days to amplify skin and tissue health in the face with facial gua sha. So that's a little bit of what Gua Sha is. So I did a lot of research before choosing Lanshin because I wanted to make sure that my money was going to the right place. I'm really picky about where I'm buying things from and who benefits from the money I'm spending. So I went to her website, I went to her Instagram and things like that, and I searched up other places too. But this one really caught my eye because this is an ancient Asian practice. She is an Asian woman, and I really support women of color, and I love to support women-owned businesses as well. So that was just immediately like, yes, I want to do that. She is an acupuncturist and herbalist, so whenever I was looking at her website, I felt like she was really focused on her products and quality, so that really caught my eye. I'm also really interested in crystals. I have mine right here. So I wanted to make sure I was getting something that was authentic and not anything fake from like Amazon or something. So that was really important for me as well. Okay, now let's get into opening this. I'm super excited. So let's see what is in here. So because of everything that's going on right now, I do have some wipes and hand sanitizer nearby because I'm going to be disinfecting everything as I open it. I already disinfected the box. So, okay. I think I can just... So first, opening the box, it's like this. I really like this. It's very minimal, very zero waste. And then inside is the tool. It feels really heavy. I like that. And then it just comes with like a confirmation of what I bought. Okay, so super fancy. This doesn't feel like cheap at all. This feels really nice and thick. Yeah, I can actually store it in here. Yay! Oh my gosh, this is actually a lot bigger than what I thought it was gonna be. It feels nice and heavy. It's cold. It's so beautiful. The zero waste packaging was a really pleasant surprise, so that really adds on to me wanting to purchase from her again. It's really nice. I'm super excited. I can definitely see the light shining through. I'm so happy. I didn't expect it to be this big, but then again, I didn't really think about how big it was gonna be, so it feels heavy, but it's a nice weight. I feel like if I put this against my skin, I would definitely feel really nice pressure. All the edges are really smooth and nice. There are no scratches on it at all. There are some little dents, but I can totally tell that's just naturally how it is. I think the only thing I would have liked to have had with my packaging is like instructions directing like simple gua sha exercises, because I feel like if I were to buy this for someone like as a gift or something, it would be nice to have a little beginner to what gua sha is, and maybe a little intro or some exercises or links to places where they can go to for more information. But honestly, I think it's fine. Like, I can see how some people might not want that and it could cause waste, which makes sense. But overall, I'm super happy with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face now so I can try this out. I just finished washing my face. I put the mirror right here so I can see myself. I have my oil and my toner here, and then I have my iPad right here, so I'm gonna be watching the video as I go.
Jade Gua Sha tool. First, we're gonna start with a clean, freshly washed face. Next, we're going to create this upward massage stroke. You're actually creating lift. My right side, which is your...
Okay, this is the side that I did. I just did half of it so far. I definitely see a difference. Personally, I do feel like my skin looks more smoother, it feels more tight, and it felt so good. I really felt it relieve my stress right here, which I do have TMJ, so I do have like a really, really tight jaw most of the time, and it's like always popping and shifting. So I really did feel like it released tension, and it felt so good. Yeah, this is my face after my first time trying out Gua Sha. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe, like, comment, share, everything. And I'll see you next time. Bye!